Hi, 8th graders. Next lessons in math. So we've looked at translation and its basic properties. Now we're going to look at reflection and rotation and their basic properties. So 2 lessons in 1 today. So I'll move my bubble up to the right. So similar to last time, we're going to let L here be a vertical line. A, P are 2 points that are not on the line. And Q is a point that's on the line, okay? Now we're going to reflect points P and A across line L. So switch sides. Normally you would keep your other one over here. We didn't do that this time, but normally you would keep it over there as a reference. But there's P, there's A, both across line L. You can also reflect shapes. So reflect triangle ABC over line L. So here we have points A, point B, point C. And then we have point B with the apostrophe saying it's like the second one, an A, but point C is actually going to remain the same. Okay? So what are the basic properties of reflection? Just like translation, a reflection maps a line to a line, a ray to a ray, and a segment to a segment. It preserves the lengths of the segments, and it preserves degrees of angles, meaning the degrees of the angles won't change. So what about rotation? Rotations mean that we move an object, line, etc. a number of degrees. If we were to rotate this line 90 degrees, it would end up as a horizontal line, meaning going this way. So they would actually be like perpendicular lines. But if we rotate it 180 degrees, it will look exactly the same as it does now. And then those 2 lines would actually be parallel. So we're going to rotate the triangle 90 degrees. And we're actually going to rotate it both clockwise and counterclockwise. So clockwise, the clock goes this way, so we're going to rotate it that way, there. Counterclockwise, it would look like this. So those 2 are almost opposite. Even though we started with the same starting shape, same direction, our finished products look different. What are the basic properties of rotation? Again, same as translation, same as reflection. A rotation maps a line to a line, a ray to a ray, a segment to a segment, and an angle to angle. It preserves the lengths of segments. It preserves measures of angles. So, one more time. Just like translations, when we reflect or rotate an image, the angles and lengths stay the same. So your assignment is to work on questions for lessons 4 and 5 on Edmodo. If you have questions or are confused, let me know, preferably before you take the quiz.